My nice, today we're back with another video, and today's gonna be my tour for a mansion in Jamaica. So first I'm gonna show you my room. Yeah, they just cleaned it. So we have me and Liberty's room, my mom's room. This is the bathroom. It's pretty big. And then there's another bathroom connected to it. And then here's my mom's room. They haven't came to clean it yet. But we have maids and stuff here. So, yeah. And here's my mommy.
Hello. It's time to eat, baby.
Oh.
Take it over there.
And so we're about to eat. I'll show you everybody at the table. As I walk, you're gonna see some animals. So here's the big pool. We just got out. Here's my uncle RJ.
What's up?
And they have, this place comes with animals and everything. So we have little, and a birdie. He looks just like Starburst. And we're about to eat breakfast, so we need to go there, and then I'll see you guys in a little bit. I need to show you the view. What are you doing, man? Vlogging. And we got my girl Liberty with me. You know, we cute, we savage, and we dabbing them haters in the mansion. So, yes, that's how it is.
It's the eating place.
This is where we eat dinner, lunch, and breakfast. We have a little dresser side. So I don't know where I'm gonna sit. Like it's
Sit
so.
where you sit yesterday. You'll be good.
Oh, I sat right. No, you didn't. Your uncle is right there. Okay. So, this is so cool.
They have
They're gonna bring all the stuff out here, and
guys.
I'm gonna
she's
pause the
allergic
video.
to
We're gonna go.
pineapples.
So, yeah, I'm allergic to pineapples. I can't have
I
those.
love pineapples.
So, peace. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, guys. So, yeah, we're at the breakfast table, the dinner table, or the lunch table.
Are you vlogging?
Yes, I am.
Okay.
Show, yeah.
Here's my mom. Here's Liberty. Here's my pawpaw. And here's my uncle.
What's up?
Just waiting for my Gigi. Uncle Glenn. I don't think Aunt Donna is coming. But, so yeah. Look, here's my Gigi. And life is good. Okay, guys, we got Uncle Glenn and Aunt Donna at the table. So basically, there's everybody at the table.
You want pineapple, you said?
I'm allergic.
No? You want papaya? You want to try the papaya?
No, I'm good.
You want pineapple? It's good. Tastes a little. Let me know. Baby, you want any of this?
Sure. Yep. Whenever you're ready.
They're fixing some.
Okay, that's the water. Yes.
That's weird. Okay. So I got my uncle, my Gigi, my papa. Oh, do it. Do it. It's just
Teeth.
I have to hold it. Okay, so here's everybody. We just need Glenn and Donna to sit down. So we'll wait for them and then we'll get back. Okay, so we got everybody at the table.
So you gotta do one thing. You wanna hold the thing?
What's that? Oh no. Oh, okay.
So, we have my mom. We have Uncle Glenn.
Hey, Chloe.
We have Gigi. We have Papa
Baby, would
Reggie.
you like some?
We have Aunt Donna. We have Uncle. And we have me. So everybody's here. That's Dwayne. He's like a butler. And so we have a lot of stuff.
That's turkey.
Yeah,
I think that's regular bacon. I think it.
I told you I'm over bacon.
You are?
Yes, don't tilt the camera like that.
Okay.
So yeah, this is beautiful Jamaica. We're gonna eat and then I'll show you guys the rest of the house. So peace, make sure you like and subscribe, hit that notification button, and we'll see you next time. You know how we are. We just keep down in the mansion.
Now, actually, let me finish.